Pasok tayo rito. At sakaling may makita tayong mga gandang animals o hayop po. Ano yan? Tara sa loob. Baka sakaling makakita tayo ng magagandang hayop. Pasok tayo rito. So daming souvenirs. Wow. Oh.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's because he's the man. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't say that out loud. That's right. And also because we both
Daming paninda.
I'm married to
Oh.
Oh, okay. So
Mga wild. Wow.
look at those.
Wow. Oh. Dami, oh.
Are rodents. Okay. These are predators. This one here is from that white guy.
Dito. Okay.
Yeah.
Ano.
Now we actually don't touch the stuff in this area, but you can pet the porcupine if you wish. Just make sure you're going down, not up.
Okay, I've never touched one, so I'm
Okay.
going to touch this stuff.
We have 3 brown bats at the back that most people don't notice. Now, all bats in BC are now protected. And I mean, they're
Are they
nothing like
really
the
that
Australian
small?
bats.
These are
Okay?
that small?
Yeah, those ones are, yeah. And
Sorry.
feel free to get touchy-feely with them. The names are down underneath there for you. These will tell you something about what you're
Yung
seeing.
porcupine. Oh wow,
Now,
ang
most of our
talim
birds
na
are
ano.
raptors or migratory birds, so they're not
Oh,
natural.
be
So
careful.
they're either roadkill or natural death, same as any of the babies.
This is
We
so,
didn't go
so
out and kill
well
babies,
done.
okay? This is one guy's dream. He's been planning this for over 20 years. He's done all the taxidermy, all the dioramas.
Daming paninda. Daming souvenir. Daming kitchen, daming magnetic, you know?
He has to go
Nagsasawa ka.
these animals.
Oh,
We have 3 walls of butterflies in there.
bungo
So
ng hayop.
species of
Wolf,
butterflies in Canada.
coyote, red fox,
This is wonderful. You know, when you go to the best
grizzly bear,
you know, and they've got
bear,
Yes.
polar bear,
perfect, more better than the back.
black bear,
Because his stuff is
squirrel,
kind of mimicking what you'd see
raccoon.
if you had the chance. So
dami.
this is the first floor to however you wish with that.
Beaver, oh yan ang beaver.
Upstairs up there. You guys are going down
Oh,
the
it's
east
good.
or the back. Now,
Porcupine.
I will try to answer for you. Here?
Pardon me?
Are you from living
No,
around
we
here?
live in Victoria.
Okay, so you're on holidays.
Yeah.
So 2 adults
Yes.
Yes, please.
comes to $33.60. This is of course the mammals of skulls.
Mm-hmm.
Now from the red squirrel to the beaver, excuse me, those are rodents. These are predators.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
This one
those
here
polar
is
bear?
from that white bear right there. That one, yeah. Now we asked you don't touch the stuff in this area, but you can pet the porcupine if you want. Just
Oh,
make
then be
sure,
careful.
make
Yeah,
sure you're
yeah,
going
that's
down,
see.
not up,
Yeah,
because they are quite bulky.
yeah. I just tried that before. It was so scary. Yeah.
There's 3 little brown bats there. Most people don't notice them. All bats in BC now are protected. They're not doing overly well. Now these traps, they were all on a working trap line at one point. Of course, they were retired because they're no longer classed as humane. Now, over here, there's 2 ledges. These are real fur samples. You can touch them, find out what the animals feel like, and yeah, and the names are underneath. He's gonna watch you.
Wow.
Now this tells you kind
Amazing.
of some of the stuff that he has to go through. This is one man's dream. He's done all the taxidermy, he's done all the dioramas, and he's built the building. Now even if you find an animal or whatever dead somewhere, it still has to go to the conservation office. It has to be checked out to see why it died, and then he will give permit. They will give
Autopsy.
permission. Yeah, more or less. We suggest you go in, go around to the left, circle behind the ghost, and when you get here, it'll
Oh,
lead you
going to
all
upstairs.
there's an upstairs. Like I said, 44 stations, about 350 animals.
Oh.
And you can either come down this way, or there's stairs at the back there that you can come down as well.
Okay.
3 walls of butterflies. There is something like 300 species of butterflies in Canada. They were raised in captivity. There was a gentleman in BC who raised peregrine falcons and gerfalcons, and they went all over the world for the falcon industry. Now, any questions you have, I'll try to answer them for you. But take your time. You can take all the pictures you want.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Wow, ganyan pala kalaki ng beer. Ang lalaki. Nakakatakot. Oh.
Binabury pala nila ang kanilang mga pinapatay.
Sometimes I could tell when he had us stay up like this.
Oh, stay away from.
Yeah, I didn't know that. I learned later, right?
Yeah.
He went and he bit me on the nose. I still got to find out everything. He ended up my nose wide open. Then he went on the lip. And then you know my lip.
Yeah.
To me,
Oh, grizzly bear. Ang ganda ng mata niya, oh. Malit naman ng mga aso.
My daughter gave me a match. There's check on here, lovebirds. And the poor male. And husband and I were saying, well, maybe we'll just keep you with his friend name. No, he just lost it. He didn't want, right? So I said to the daughter, if somebody chewed down close to the deer, right? I said, if somebody down there says, I don't care. And she said, oh yeah, I have a feeling it was kind of yellowish. And I know she's been on chili eggs. So that was his bridge. And I'm going, okay, you have to introduce him slowly, right? Well, I just reach up against his cage, let him go like that, and I go to the cage door. Tried to kill each other.
See, there's something there. It's, as I said, just for the last, even a cat, I had a cat, nothing deal, nothing deal. But it will come to me as purring as hell. At the same time, purring, big. Can't figure out, I don't understand it. And then, it was how to do that.
Ang tsura niya, ang relaxing.
Oh, sounds like guppies.
And then I had to throw them out of the house, that's it. I'm like,
Well, I tried to get it, sorority, female baby, I had one and I absolutely loved it. And they were to the point when I went, they were cleaning the glass.
yes.
I couldn't clean the glass because they'd come in and sit on my hair for attention. So I thought I was gonna do that again, and then my husband says, well, I don't send guppies. I spent months trying to get rid of stuff. And then I had to try to separate them.
Kasi yung ano,
I made a mistake. I
pangit.
last fall. Hey, Kubarda? Well, when she stands up, she's this tall. Oh my goodness! And otherwise, she's about this big around, but she looks like she's a toy poodle and.
Yung dog-ship na pinatay.
Yeah. That's not my thing, no more after this one.
Minsan, Ah, bobcats. Yeah.
Well, no, I'm not seeing it either, and I'm not seeing it on